Hello students, today we are going to understand question tags. So what is a question tag? A question tag is a short question that add at the end of a statement to check if the listener agrees with your statement or not. तो क्वेश्चन टैग क्या होता है? एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन होता है जो हम स्टेटमेंट के एंड में पूछते हैं so that we can know whether the listener agree to us or not. जिससे हम बातें कर रहे हैं वो हमारे स्टेटमेंट से एग्री करता है कि नहीं. That is a question tag. For example, the examinations is difficult, isn't it? Isn't it is a question tag. It is a very short question. Second example is Sheena isn't copying. Is she? Now there are some rules to apply a question mark. First, if sentence is affirmative or positive, the question tag must be negative. अगर कोई सेंटेंस आपका पॉजिटिव है या एफर्मेटिव है तो आपका जो क्वेश्चन टैग है वो होगा नेगेटिव. सो विल यूज वर्ड्स लाइक isn't, doesn't, etc. For example, the examination is difficult. This is a positive sentence or affirmative sentence. So we'll use a negative question tag. Here our helping verb is. So is, then we'll use not. So isn't and then it. Here person is not there. So we can't use he or she or they, these. So we'll use it. Second rule is if the sentence is negative, the question tag should be positive. अगर कोई नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है तो हम यूज़ करेंगे एक पॉजिटिव टैग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इज शी, कैन यू, विल यू, एक्सेट्रा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल शीना isn't copying. Here the sentence is negative because the word not is there. So we'll use positive question tag, that is she. Auxiliary verb is. So we'll put is and then Sheena is a girl. So we'll put she and a question mark. Third is put a comma between the statement with a question mark. If we see in the above example, after the sentence gets over, put a comma, and after the question tag, put a question mark. Like Sheena isn't copying, then a comma, then we'll use question tag is she, and when the question tag gets over, put a question mark. Fourth one is if the sentence has no auxiliary verb, use do, does or did. In these sentences we had auxiliary verb, but if we don't have any auxiliary verb or helping verb, we need to use do, does or did. For example, mother cooks well. So the question tag used in this sentence is doesn't she. When you see words like he, she, it or any name, we use does. For example, those chefs cook well. In this sentence we'll use don't they. when the sentence is plural, we'll use do. So as the sentence is positive, we'll use negative question tag, and those will be converted into they. Third example, usage of did. Did is used in past tense. The manager asked if we had enjoyed the meal. Didn't he? So the manager asked. Asked tells you that the sentence is in past tense. So we'll use did. And as the sentence is in positive, we'll use not. Didn't, and the manager is a boy, so we'll use he. Fifth, the auxiliary in the tag for M is are. Whenever there is a word M, we'll use are. The helping verb is are. For example, I am only a child. Here M, so its quotient tag will be aren't I. M is a helping word, but we cannot use am not. So auxiliary for M is are. Sixth, imperative sentence begins with let. Imperative sentences are those which gives you a command or a order. So let us leave. Shall we? Another example of imperative sentence is listen to me. Will you? Here explanation of question tags gets over.